An apple looks simple, but what it does inside your body is anything but.
The moment you bite, chewing activates digestion and releases natural sugars and fiber.
Your esophagus takes over, guiding food downward without you even noticing. In the stomach, acids break apple down into fuel your body can actually use. Here, vitamins and natural sugars are absorbed, slowly and steadily. These nutrients now travel where they're needed most.
Apples support heart health and help your brain stay focused and alert.
Fiber cleans your gut and feeds the bacteria that keep digestion smooth.
Natural sugars provide energy. Without the spike, without the crash.
One apple, supporting digestion, heart health, energy, and balance, all in one bite.